What if Earth could talk? What would it say to us? Imagine for a moment having a heart-to-heart with our planet. Perhaps Earth would speak of the times when its forests were lush and its oceans teemed with life. It might reminisce about clear skies and clean rivers, about the harmony that once was. But Earth's tone would change as it spoke of the present. It would express its sadness over the scars we've etched into its skin, the forests we've leveled, the species we've driven into extinction. It would lament the smog we've filled its skies with, the plastic we've choked its waters with. It would speak, too, of the fever it's suffering from, a fever we call climate change. Each of these problems, it would remind us, is a wound we've inflicted. If Earth could talk, it would tell us it's hurting, it needs our help. What happens if we don't listen to Earth's plea? Imagine, if you will, a future where the Earth's cries go unheard. The consequences of continued environmental neglect are far-reaching and daunting. Picture a world where the sea levels keep rising, swallowing up coastal cities and creating millions of climate refugees. The familiar shores and landmarks we know today, gone. Now consider the extreme weather events that are becoming more frequent and severe. Droughts that parch the land, leaving it barren and lifeless. Hurricanes that wreak havoc, destroying homes and uprooting lives. Heat waves that are so intense they become a public health crisis. But the effects of our inaction are not just about the weather, it's about the loss of biodiversity, the silent extinction of species that once filled our world with life and color. Forests that once teemed with life, now silent and empty. Animals that once roamed freely, now only exist in memory or behind the glass walls of a zoo. And let's not forget about us, human societies. Our cities, our farms, our livelihoods are all at risk. Imagine a world where food and water scarcity are the norm, where conflicts over resources become inevitable. This is the potential future we face if we don't take action. If we ignore Earth's plea, we could end up living in a world we hardly recognize. A world that future generations might not even have the chance to know. Ignoring Earth's plea could lead to a world we hardly recognize. But what if we could change the story? Imagine this, a small town in the heart of Australia, once ravaged by drought, now flourishing with greenery. All thanks to a community initiative that introduced sustainable farming methods and water conservation. The once barren land has become a vibrant oasis, a testament to the power of change. Or consider this, a teenage girl in India, inspired by her love for the ocean, started a beach cleanup campaign. What began as a solo effort soon sparked a movement, rallying her entire community. Today, her beaches are pristine and marine life thrives. Across the Atlantic, in New York City, a group of architects are revolutionizing urban living. They're transforming concrete jungles into green havens, with rooftop gardens and vertical farms. These urban oases not only beautify the city, but also combat the heat island effect, making the city cooler and more habitable. In the heart of Africa, a young man has made it his life's mission to reforest his homeland. He's not just planting trees, he's planting hope for future generations. His efforts have transformed the landscape, creating a lush, green canopy where there was once only dust. These are just a handful of the many stories of change happening around our world. Stories of individuals and communities taking action, making a significant difference in protecting and restoring our environment. These stories prove that we can make a difference. We can change the story. So, what part can you play in this story of change? The answer is much simpler than you might think, and it all starts with the choices you make in your daily life. How about swapping that plastic water bottle for a reusable one? Or maybe taking public transport, cycling, or walking instead of driving whenever possible. These might seem like small steps, but when millions of us start taking them, the impact is significant. Think about the food you eat. By choosing more plant-based meals, you're not only doing your health a favor, but also reducing your carbon footprint. Remember, every bite counts. And how about those flickering lights at home? Switching to energy-efficient appliances and lights can make a difference in your energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. Finally, spread the word. Encourage your friends, family, and community to adopt these small but meaningful changes. The future of our planet depends on each of us. Answer Earth's plea. Make your actions count. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Craving more? Hit subscribe and journey with us through the realm of learning. Remember, every thumbs up and every subscription fuels our passion to deliver more. Become part of our learning community today.